Hi guys, so the word of this week is disapprove. Now we all know that to disapprove is to show an unfavorable opinion towards something or somebody. Now what are the other words that we might spot on the GRE which would also mean disapprove? Words like assail, berate, castigate. Castigate actually means to show a disapproval in the form of a minor scolding. Decry, denounce, diatribe, discredit, epithet, excoriate. Excoriate would actually mean a little bit of an excessive scolding to shown when we are trying to disapprove. Then we have fulminate, invective, lambast, rant, revile, rile, tirade, upbraid, vituperative. All of these words mean that we are disapproving or we are scolding, sometimes at a minor level or at a major level in order to show our disapproval. So all of these words you may encounter sometime or the other during your GRE preparation. Now let's have a look at some of the opposite words of disapprove, some of the antonyms. So what are some of the antonyms of disapprove? We have approve. Then we have accede. Accede means to give in. Acquiesce, amenable, compliant. Compliant would actually mean that we are disapproving. But we are complying with the other person, we are not disapproving. So compliant, if I am being compliant, I am not disapproving. Concede, approve, relent, conquer, succumb. I have given in. I am not throwing a fit anymore. I have given in to the demands of the other person. I am succumbing. Yield. All of these words mean approve or acceptance. So these are some of the antonyms of disapprove.